What? What's up, my homie Gene?
What's up, my freaky homie Gene? Word, oh my god, what am I saying?
Okay. What did you do last night?
I went out with Connor. No, wait. I kind of didn't mean it. Emily? She's not waking up.
What? Animal!
Emily! Come back!
Okay. Ow! Pretend you punched me. Oh, your blood's in my face.
I'm gonna rustle you, you little maggot! Wake me up inside! Can't wake up! I'm walking on. Hello? I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa! I'm walking on sunshine. Oh! I'm walking on sunshine. It feels so good.
Hello?
Oh.
What time are you home, Gene?
It's 12 o'clock! Mom will be home any minute! We gotta go to bed!
It's not 12 o'clock.